Diwali coming up. So with Diwali, you have food and sweets and things associated, right? You know that. Well, you know that too. But we wanted to find out some more about that. So we took a drive down to the Southland to Amtar Fine Foods, and they're doing some nice sweets and things here. Think that's the right people to come and check to find out a little more about them. So come at us now, we're gonna eat our food and see our food too. Talk about our food. These kind of things now, we're gonna eat our food. Well, we here and look, we buy sweets and things. Yeah, nice. So the real people that are doing stuff. This is Auntie Tara. Auntie Tara, they call it again.
Hi.
And this is the mastermind behind the Indian sweets and delicacies for Diwali. You can tell us a little bit about, well, firstly, your experience in this.
Of course. When I started this business about 32 years ago, after I was laid off from a company, my husband encouraged me to go into this business. He actually taught me everything. He and my in-laws, you know. He being Gujarati from India. So there was no one else doing this at the time, and this would be a good business for me.
Right, so you spot opportunity.
That's right. And I don't have to go and work for anybody. He didn't want me to go and work for anybody.
Right.
Taught me really, really well, and there is it now. You know, it has expanded this business. We do quite a variety of sweets.
But what is the significance of sweets in the festivities though?
Well, it has always been like that, you know. Indian people, you know, around Divali time, and even during the course of the year when they have prayers, like they have all the different pujas, the sweets are one of the main things that they offer, you know. Must have sweets in your prayer to give out. Always something sweeter.
So what is behind giving you sweets though?
Well, it's just a tradition. It's just a tradition.
Just a token to say,
a token, right. Yeah. We have a wide variety of sweets. For instance, this one here is called Magaj. This is made from chana besan, almonds. Chana besan. Not your regular chana, but chana besan. Okay. Comes from India actually, and but it's available locally, and it has a lot of grounded almonds into it, as well as. And this is what it looks like when it's cut out. A lot of almonds and garnished with pistachio. It's garnished with pistachio. And this other sweet here is called Amrit Pak. This is a combination of 4 different items here. It's a local coconut. It has almonds. It has cream of wheat, and it has milk powder. Okay. It's all garnished, as you can see. It's all garnished with pistachio. This one is called Pera. It's a real Indian Pera. It's molded out with something called a penda. It's made from 3 different types of milk, this Pera. And these are all like mostly Gujarati sweets. This is called gari. This is made from milk powder, cooked milk powder, and it's covered with a pastry. It all has all the Indian spices like kesar and elaichi, you know, which is the main flavoring for these sweets. This sweet is also a really nice one. This is made from pure cashew. Pure cashew, no added flour, just pure cashew. And it's garnished with pistachio and or spices, as I say. This is what's called a laddu. Our laddus are made from chana flour. Not dal, but chana. And we also garnish it with a little raisin and pistachio. We have your burfi, burfi, and we have a lot of almonds in it as well, and it's garnished in pistachio. Plus, we have this in various colors. You know, like a client can call and say, "Look, I want my burfi pink, or I want a two-tone color burfi." We can supply that also. And we also have another one which I don't have here right now. It's made from chocolate burfi. Okay. We carry a chocolate burfi also. Then we carry stuff like rasmalai, rasgullas, Gulab Jamun in syrup, which is a typical Gujarati sweet. The local people call it here rasgulla, but Indians call it Gulab Jamun in syrup. This sweet is made from pure almonds. But fun. You should also try a piece of this. Try a piece of this too and tell us. Pure almonds. So you see what
when
you
say
can...
pure almonds? Just
pure almonds,
oil
grounded almonds,
with
which is spices
spices.
and your sugar and your syrup. The pure almonds, yeah.
That's interesting. I like this.
Yeah. Even this is very nice too. Your pure cashew.
Just have a little pistachio in it too.
It's garnished with pistachio. Everything is garnished with pistachio.
I like this. This is my experience.
We've been in business for past 30 something years, like over 32 years I've been in business. So I've created a lot of clients, you know.
Right.
And we work January to December. We could give anybody sweets, weddings, prayers. Doesn't matter what the function is. And the nice thing about it is that we have all types of people that buy sweets at Diwali time. All types. Everybody, anybody who wants sweets, it's fine. We have all clients from all different walks of life.
Pretty interesting.
Yeah,
Pretty
they buy sweets. And we like people to come, especially if you're a first-time client. You know, you come, you can sample, see what you like, or what you like best, and you know, you buy what you want.
Come, sample.
Sample,
see what
yeah.
you like.
If you're a first-time
And buy
client and you don't have any idea about these sweets, you want to find out. People tell you, well, I've never had these sweets before. I didn't taste these sweets. I don't know what it tastes like. I said, that's not a problem. All you need to do is come and sample, and this is the best time of the year to come.
and sample, right?
Yeah, at Diwali time.
Right.
Because then we have,
stuff in
we
process,
have
right?
a good production going on. We have a lot, you know. So,
True,
just,
that's true.
yeah.
Come sample, see what they like.
Yeah, see
sample.
what you like, and we'll try and give you as much as you want. And I have a really good staff here. Asha, two sous chef, Asha and Dol. Yeah.
Chilling out hundreds per
Yeah.
minute and
Hundreds, yeah.
rapid fire going on here. Right, we're here with Chef Amit to get some background on these boxes here because we have a history behind the boxes.
There is some history behind these boxes.
Alright,
You know, before we could have brought in these boxes, you know, like at least 10, 15 years ago, to bring in stuff from India was a little challenging.
right, yeah.
And you know, being my mom, being the creative person she was, and my dad, what they did in the old days, they actually took that lunchbox you used to get in school, that white box, and by hand they would cut the window,
Right.
and then they would take glue and stick a clear plastic behind it. Then they would take a glue pen and write Happy Diwali,
Right.
sprinkle with that dust,
Yeah,
that glitter dust, shake it off, put it to dry, and then
And
go
that's
back
one.
in sweets. And that's one.
Yeah.
You know, we've certainly come a long way when it has come to our gift boxes. We've been doing gift boxes for a number of years, and we found that clients really like to give their friends, their family, if they're going to visit a friend or family on holiday. If you have some clients you really appreciate, you know, these gift boxes are ideal for them.
And it was interesting to me sampling it because I wasn't really expecting to get that feeling. Well, I didn't know that particular sweet. The last one I ever sampled.
Yeah, my gosh, it's so nice, so smooth.
And it had a flavor kind of like a chili with some
you know,
extra honey.
yeah.
So I tasted and immediately started getting those little memories of school
Yes.
and taking a picture and that kind of thing.
We like to give that feeling to people.
Yeah,
It's
which
important.
is interesting to me because it talks about something that relevant outside of the world.
Yeah.
You know, that they can, Indian sweets across the
Yeah,
world.
exactly.
Not really Diwali sweets, but Indian sweets that could be used at
Yeah,
Diwali.
there's
as
so
well
much
as-
different variety to these sweets. I mean, we're doing a micro fraction of the sweets that are made, you know, across the world around this time of the year. You know, and every different, what I've noticed over the years, every different family has their own little flavor, their own little styling. Every sweet shop you may go to abroad has a different flavor, different way they mold it, different way they cut it, and you know, to me it's like kind of like wine sometimes. That everybody has their favorite. Like, you know, some people are going to enjoy this one, another person like, okay, it's okay for me. They may appreciate another flavor of sweet. Like, there's some sweets like if I travel abroad and I try it, and that's my favorite, you know. And I wouldn't mind my own one sometimes. Like, this is nice, it's interesting, you know. But that's the beauty of sweets and food, you know. trying different things, getting to know, and then you come back home and like, okay, I'm gonna try something new this year. You know, offer something to the clients. It's good, you know.
Well, I mean, thanks for the time.
Thanks guys for coming.
Thanks for the samples.
You know, and people can check us out on Amtar's Catering on Facebook.
Amtar's Catering.
You know, our numbers are posted there. And you will see our prices there as well.
Yeah.
You can give us a
We'll
call.
post the links for you and you can ask you know, right? You'll guide into the page and check these out. Real nice. Real good stuff going on. For sure.
Thanks for coming, eat your food.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Cheers.